Hello students, welcome back on my channel Pramila Ma'am. Today we'll do mathematics 9th standard exercise 1.5. Okay, we'll see question number 2. Simplify each of the following expressions. We have to simplify this expression. Okay, so the question number 1 is 3 plus root 3 in whole bracket and in another bracket 2 plus root 2. Now I'm going to teach you how to solve these kind of problems. First, we'll revise all the formulas or identities which you have studied in your 8th standard. Okay, I'll write here. If you remember a plus b, a minus b, you have studied this identity number 3. So what is the formula? A square minus b square. These are the identity you have studied in your previous classes. A plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Are you clear? So these three identity we will try to use in these expressions. Okay, now we'll see, this is the question. So very first we'll open first bracket. Okay, so 3 will open this bracket. So what we'll do here, we'll multiply this number with this bracket and this number with this whole bracket. Okay, 2 plus root 2. Okay, plus, what is the sign of root 3? Plus, we'll write this plus sign. Now root 3 and 2 plus root 2. Are you clear, students? Now we'll open bracket. So how we'll open the bracket? This 3 will multiply with 2 and this 3 later multiply with this number. This root 3 multiply with this number, later will multiply with this number. Are you clear, students? So what we'll do here, 3, because this bracket is multiplication. So 3 2s are 6. 3 into 2 plus, what is the sign? Plus, we'll write plus. 3 into root 3. 3 into, root 2. Clear? Now again we'll put this plus sign. Now root 3 into 2. Yani, can we write plus root 3 into root 2? Root 3 into root 2. Are you clear? Later, when you understood very well this question, you can skip this and you will directly you can write the answer. So 3 2s are 6 plus 3 into root 2. Now this is 3 and this is root 2. Okay, can we combine? I'll give you one example. This is water, okay, and this is lemonade. आप उसको मिक्स कर सकते हो वाटर और लेमनेड को, बट इस केस में क्या है, 3 एक वाटर है एंड रूट 2 इज ऑयल. कैन यू मिक्स वाटर एंड ऑयल? नो, वी कांट. सो वी कांट मल्टीप्लाई दीज टू नंबर्स. 3, तो विल राइट 3 रूट 2. ओके, नाउ प्लस साइन विल पुट प्लस साइन. नाउ अगेन वाटर एंड ऑयल, so 2 root 3 plus, again see both are oil and oil. Can you mix oil and oil? Of course I can add oil and oil, nothing will happen. So root 3 into root 2, so 3 2s are 6, so root 6. Okay, this is the final answer. Now how this is the final answer, I'll tell you. 6 is a constant term. Here 3 root 2 and this is 2 root 3, both are different, and this is root 6, again totally different term. So this is the final answer. Understood? We'll take second problem sum. Again it's very easy. Can you see in second problem sum, can you see this? 3 and 3 both are same, and root 3 and root 3 both are same, but there is only one difference, that is sign plus and sign minus. Can we use the very first identity. Yes, of course we can use this, almost similar to this. So you can use this identity. Okay, so yeah, but you have to mention the identity, which identity you are using. So a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Here a is 3 and b is root 3. Okay, and you have to put this in box, very important, just to highlight. Make a habit of writing all the important in the box. Okay, now we'll write only answer. A square, a is 3, so 3 square minus root 3 square. Clear, students? So 3 3s are 9 minus, now you have to remember one thing, this is square root and this is root, and square root and root both cancel each other. Clear? So you will get only 3. So 9 minus 3 is 6. 6 is the answer, final answer. I'll tell you what happened. Root 2 and this square, these both cancels each other, because this is square and this is root. It means root 2 into root 2. Root and this square root cancels each other. It means root 2 into root 2, and root 2 into root 2 is 2. Okay, friends, you can solve by writing 2 times and the way I have done in the first question. जैसे मैंने first question में किया था, आप वैसे भी कर सकते हैं और आप directly identity भी use कर सकते हैं. Okay, so now I'm using the identity. So a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here your a is root 5 and your b is, and b equals to root 2. Okay, understood? Now we'll put this in box. Now a square, a is your root 5, so root 5 whole square plus 2 into root 5 into, what is b? Root 2 plus b is root 2, so root 2 square. Okay, now again I told you this will cancel each other. You will get only 5 plus 2, root 5 and root 2. Okay, so 2, even you can root and root you can multiply also. 5 2s are 10, so you can write 2 5 into 2 plus 2. Okay, 5 plus 2 is 5 2s are 10. So instead of writing this, I will write 10. Okay, so 5 and 2 both are constant term. So I will add 5 plus 2, 7 plus 2 root 10. We got answer. Now I can't add these two numbers. This is our answer. Okay, we'll see the last problem sum, fourth problem sum. If you can see fourth problem sum, again root 5 minus root 2 and root 5 plus root 2. It means again it will form a, these both are same. So a minus b and a plus b. Okay, so which formula will use? We'll use first one. Okay, similar to your question number 2. So we'll start writing. We'll write the formula first. Okay, so a plus b, a minus b equals to a square minus b square. Here a is your root 5, okay, and your b is root 2. So again very important is, after writing this formula, put this formula in box. A minus b, you can shuffle it, even you can write this term here, this term there. Okay, so meaning is same. So what is the answer? A square, a is root 5, so root 5 minus root 2. So 5 and 5, again this root and root will cancel, square root and root will cancel, you will get only 5 minus, again this will cancel, you will get only 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. Final answer. Okay, many students are having problem ma'am here in question के अंदर क्या है, माइनस साइन है, फिर प्लस है यहाँ, लेकिन प्लस है फिर माइनस है बेटा. प्लस और माइनस मैं आपको एग्जांपल देके समझाती हूँ. 2 इंटू 3 भी 6 होता है और 3 इंटू 2 भी 6 होता है. दोनों 6 होते हैं ना, मीनिंग सेम है, सिर्फ क्या है, डिजिट्स इंटरचेंज हुई हैं. तो सिमिलरली दोनों के बीच में इंटू का साइन है, ये पहले लिखो या ये पहले लिखो, डजंट मैटर, यू विल गेट द सेम आंसर. ओके, तो प्लीज़ हिट अ लाइक बटन, सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल एंड प्लीज़ शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स. थैंक यू.